Welcome back to the online learning classes. Chapter number is 4 and the chapter name is Nutrition in Living Organisms. Before we start today's topic, let us recall which we have studied in previous lecture. We studied about nutrition, the process of taking in and using food which take place in living organisms is called nutrition. Now we can understand with the help of formula carbon dioxide plus water. We will get sunlight, then chlorophyll. It convert into food. It's called glucose. Then we are getting oxygen. Plants convert light energy into chemical energy and store it in the form of food. Water, minerals, and salt are absorbed by roots from the soil. The stem transfer them up to the leaf. The leaves have microscopic opening called stomata through which they take in the CO2 from the air, means carbon dioxide. The chloroplast present in the leaf contains chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight, helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. Oxygen is given out in this process. Beside leaves, photosynthesis takes place in some other parts like green stem too, as they contain chlorophyll. Now we will see transport system in plants. Like in our body, how the blood circulation is going on, same thing is happening in plants also. That is called transport system in plants. The types of transport system is of two types, xylem and phloem. Now we will see function of xylem. Transport of minerals and water from the roots to all aerial parts of the plant is called xylem. As you understand with the help of this blue color arrow is shown in this figure. Now we will see the function of phloem. Transport of the prepared food, that is glucose, etc., from the leaves to other parts of the plant. This food is either consumed or stored in different parts of the plant is called phloem. Plants do not have separate digestive or excretive system. Now we will see nitrogen fixation. Gases. Nitrogen is present in air, but plants cannot take up gaseous nitrogen. It is therefore converted into nitrogen compounds. This is known as nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is of two types: biological nitrogen fixation, atmospheric nitrogen fixation.
Like as plants also require nitrogen to make protein, so they absorb nitrogen continuously from the soil, due to which the amount of nitrogen become less. As you all know that there is 78% of nitrogen present in the atmosphere, but plant cannot use it directly as they use carbon dioxide. They require nitrogen in soluble form. So this bacteria called as rhizobium can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into soluble form. This bacteria lives in the roots of the grams, peas, moong and beans other legumes and provide them with nitrogen. In return, the plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. Thus, we can say that rhizobium shows a symbiotic relationship